In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Smartsheet into Excel. Whether you're trying to leverage Excel's features or want to manipulate your data further, transferring your data from Smartsheet to Excel is a straightforward process when you know how. To start, you'll want to open the specific sheet or report you intend to export from Smartsheet. This could be any data you've been working on, such as an ongoing project report, a task list, or any other essential data that you've been managing within Smartsheet. Once you've located and opened this sheet, take a moment to review the information. Make sure everything you want to transfer is up to date and complete, as this will ensure the integrity of your data once you get it into Excel. Now, take note of the top menu bar in Smartsheet. You'll see a range of options designed to help you manipulate and manage your data efficiently. Among these options is the File menu. Look for this and give it a click. This drop-down menu is your gateway to exporting your data and contains several choices that can help you share or archive your information. Once you've clicked on File, the next action is to select Export. This leads to another menu where you'll find different formats you can choose to export your data. From here, you'll want to select Export to Microsoft Excel. This option is key, as it will allow you to download your Smartsheet data as an XLSX file, which is fully compatible with Excel. Clicking this option prompts Smartsheet to create a downloadable version of your current sheet or report. The export process might take a window of time, depending on how much data you're working with. As your file downloads, it's converting all the information you've gathered into a format that can be easily manipulated within Excel. This functionality is particularly useful for those who need precise data manipulation or want to use Excel's advanced features for their analysis or reporting. Once your download is complete, locate the file on your computer. It's likely in your default Downloads folder unless you've set a different location. From here, simply open the XLSX file with Excel, and you'll find that your Smartsheet data is now available in a new Excel workbook and ready for further processing. Whether you need to build pivot tables, create graphs, or perform detailed calculations, you now have full access to Excel's suite of features. This simple yet effective process ensures you can continue working seamlessly with your data across platforms, preserving all the critical information you've compiled in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.